Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn money from Copy.Ai. The steps are very simple and easy. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. To get started, first we need to open up any web browser and search for Copy.Ai in the search bar. And from the search result, tap on the first link as shown here. And you will be redirected to the official page of Copy.Ai. From here, tap on Login on the top right. Now after you are logged in, from here you need to tap on Templates. And after that, select Blog. Now select Social Media Content. From here, tap on Event Promotion. And after that, select Start New Project. From here, you need to select what you are looking to create. And after that, you have to fill on the main points you want to cover. And then you need to choose a tone for your post. After doing all this, you need to tap on Create Content. After that, it will give you a list of different ideas related to the topic you searched. And from here, you can use these ideas for your business and other stuffs if you like to earn money.